In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import journal entries in Odoo. If you need to bring accounting data into Odoo quickly and accurately, importing journal entries is a very useful feature. It can save time compared to entering each entry manually, especially when you're working with a large number of transactions. In this walkthrough, I'll show you exactly where to go and what to click so the process is simple and easy to follow. Start from your Odoo dashboard. From there, click on Accounting. This will open the accounting area where you can manage financial records, transactions, and reporting tools. Once you're inside the accounting module, look at the top toolbar and click Accounting again. This helps you access the main accounting menu options and make sure you're in the correct section before moving forward. Next, select Journal Entries. This is the area where Odoo stores and manages your accounting entries. If you're importing data from another system or uploading prepared records in bulk, this is the section you'll want to use. After that, go to the top left area of the screen and click the gear icon. The gear icon opens additional actions and management options for the page you're currently viewing. From that menu, choose Import. On the import screen, click Download on the template. This template is important because it gives you the structure Odoo expects for the file. Using the provided format helps reduce errors and makes the upload process much smoother. Once you've downloaded it, enter your journal entry data into the template carefully. Make sure the information is placed in the correct columns and formatted consistently, since clean data will help Odoo read the file properly. When your file is ready, drag and drop it into the import area to upload it. Odoo will then begin the import process using the file you prepared. This is the fastest way to add multiple journal entries at once without creating them one by one. And that's it. That's how to import journal entries in Odoo. As a quick tip before uploading, it's always a good idea to review your file one last time to make sure everything is complete and organized. A small check beforehand can help avoid issues during import and save time later. If you follow these steps in order, you should be able to import your journal entries smoothly and efficiently.